This is the brand new MX Master 4, the successor to the popular MX Master 3S. Let's take a look at what's new with the MX Master 4. In the box, you get the MX Master 4, a USB-C Logi-Bolt receiver, and user documentation. The MX Master 4 can be connected via Bluetooth or with the included Logi-Bolt receiver. To connect via Bluetooth, first turn on your MX Master 4. The LED indicator will start blinking rapidly, indicating it's in pairing mode. Your MX Master 4 will now appear under the Bluetooth settings. Click on it and you have successfully paired your MX Master 4 via Bluetooth. Alternatively, you can also connect your MX Master 4 to the included Logi-Bolt receiver. First, connect your Logi-Bolt dongle to a USB-C port on your computer and turn on your MX Master 4. Your MX Master 4 will automatically connect to the included Logi-Bolt receiver. The MX Master 4 offers great comfort and ergonomics with a shape similar to the MX Master 3S. With better stain resistance, improvements in the materials and ergonomics, the MX Master 4 provides the ultimate comfort experience. An advanced radio chip and optimized antenna placements ensures the MX Master 4 has 2 times more powerful connectivity compared to the MX Master 3S. The updated gesture button layout ensures effortless and comfortable access to essential gestures. The Mag Speed scroll wheel enables scrolling through thousands of lines per second effortlessly, while the customizable thumb wheel allows for lateral scrolling and various actions within your preferred applications. The MX Master 4 has 90% quieter clicks when compared to the MX Master 3, and with the brand new 8K DPI sensor, you can work faster and more precisely on virtually any surface. The brand new haptic sense panel on the MX Master 4 provides haptic feedback for intuitive control and precision. Users will experience haptic feedback across various actions and softwares, and this is completely customizable to meet your needs via Logi Options Plus. Clicking on the haptic sense panel opens Actions Ring that lets you access your favorite shortcuts, which is also customizable via Logi Options Plus. The MX Master 4 comes with Easy Switch. This allows you to connect up to 3 different devices and switch between them easily. On a single charge, you get 70 days of battery life and up to 3 hours of use with just a minute of charge, ensuring your creativity never gets interrupted. With sustainability and recyclability in mind, the MX Master 4 is designed to stay in action for longer and be environment-friendly. With a familiar yet new design, improved materials, a precision 8K sensor, great battery life, and a new haptic sense panel, the MX Master 4 is the epitome of comfort, precision, and sustainability. If you have any questions or for more information, please feel free to reach out to us at our support site, link in the description. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you next time.